Alright guys, so here is an example number 1 of the market maker second distribution entry model. So right here, what do we have? We have taken out the external liquidity, right? This fair value gap is going to be our drawn liquidity. So let's see what have happened here. Going to the 1 hour time frame, this is when we took out the external liquidity, right? We have the consolidation right here, and we have this drawn liquidity right here. We have this pullback, which is the accumulation phase 1, right? We only want to see a small pullback or consolidation. That's pretty much it. So now let's look at it here. After price took out the liquidity, what do we have? We have a lower low, lower high, lower low. Now that's when we get a market structure shift, and we also have the first stage of the market maker second distribution model complete, which is double break of structure, right? Once you have a double break of structure, you want to wait for a purge of any lower high. Now, what is a lower high? We have lower low, lower high. This is a lower high, right? What do we have here? Lower low, lower high, lower low, right? Now, this is that lower high that you want to put your focus on. We took out this lower high here. Now, we want to wait for a double break of structure once again, right? So we have this level taken out. We also took out this level, but this is not necessary. We took out this lower high. Now we simply wait for a double break of structure. So what do we have? We have a lower low, right? Zooming in here, we have a lower low, lower high, and a lower low. Once you have that, look at where is the unmitigated fair value gap. This right here is the fair value gap that we're talking about. Now this is your second distribution entry model. And guys, once you get this set up, there's like no going back. Okay, so this is like a live trade. I think we can't play it forward. So like this is happening right now. It happened on Monday. You can see at 3 we got the entry, and this is the beauty of this model. Once you get this type of setup, you have to train your mind to see this type of setup, guys. It's not unlike my other strategies, it's not easy. It's not like it's like a piece of, cake. No, it is not that. You have to identify these structures. And one more thing to help you with this is wicks matter, okay, in this strategy. So you don't have to wait for body closure. If you get a wick, that is your shift in market structure. If you get like a wick here and then a wick here, that is your break of structure. So let's say if the body didn't close here, but it was just a wick, that was a clean setup. Okay, you can also wait for wicks in this type of strategy. So the second distribution is complete, and we hit this almost trying to hit this level. We will take out this low, and this would have been at 14.98. let's say you'd put your stop here, maybe here, let's say even here 3, you would get 1 to 3, but usually I would put my stop here. That was 13.46. It happened recently. That was your challenge pass in one trade. Let's move on to the next example.